Introducing the Schwinn Monroe 250 and 350 urban electric bike line. Schwinn is well known for making quality bicycles, but the idea of an e-bike might be new to you. Let me explain. A Schwinn e-bike has a motor and a battery integrated into the bike. When you pedal, the motor activates and provides an extra level of assistance that you control with a thumb pad on the handlebar. The removable battery will last for miles and recharges from an ordinary household outlet. The extra power boost from the motor is enough to help you ride further, faster, and climb hills with less effort. The predictable control and simplicity of riding a bike with the added smooth power of the electric motor makes riding efficient and almost effortless. Anyone looking to enjoy the outdoors and health benefits of bicycle riding without some of the situational challenges like sweaty hill climbing and lengthy travel times will find Schwinn e-bikes a welcome recreation and commuting option. Schwinn has thought through the electric components for you. The Schwinn Monroe 250 has a 250-watt hub motor, while the Schwinn Monroe 350 has a 350-watt hub motor. Both have a thumb controller on the handlebar and feature a simple, intuitive LED display to monitor battery life and assistance level. For both Monroe models, there are 5 levels of boosted power assistance, which goes up to 20 miles per hour. The battery on both Monroes will typically last 40 miles or more, depending on the level of assistance used and how you ride. It will also recharge from empty in about 6 hours, whether it's on or off the bike. Perfect for pavement riding, the Schwinn Monroe 250 and 350 e-bikes are designed for an urban rider with quality components selected just for electric-assisted riding. They feature a stylish aluminum fixie-style frame, 700C aero wheels with stainless steel spokes, e-bike-specific 35mm wide tires with an added puncture resistance layer, the simplicity of single-speed riding, and a sport saddle with cushy handlebar grips. The Monroe 250 has front and rear caliper brakes, while the Monroe 350 has front and rear disc brakes. The Schwinn Monroe 250 and 350 are available in small, medium, and large frame sizes. They come with a 2-year warranty on the battery and electric assist parts, and a lifetime warranty on the frame and fork. The simplicity and effortless ride of a Schwinn e-bike lets you enjoy all the fun of bike riding. Discover the freedom of riding a Schwinn e-bike.
Our pedals are made to be portable and compact. They can quickly be retracted by pushing the pedal inward first, then down. To obtain maximum range and top speed, ensure that your EB5 is fully charged before riding. This can take up to 5 hours. A little tip: avoid overcharging the battery. So when the EB5's battery is full, it's best to take it off the charger. In some cases, you may notice your throttle becomes difficult to move. This may be a result of your hand grip being too tight. Lightly adjust and this should free it up. Because the EB5 is so foldable, clamps can get loose over time. Tightening the latches is easy, but tighten just enough to offer some resistance when clamping. Seat post clamps work the same way as our stem clamp, so be prepared to adjust when needed. Too much and it will not clasp properly. If you have ridden on uneven terrain, remember that some items will become loose. One such item is the seat. Make sure you carry a set of tools when riding for such an occurrence. Frequently inspect both tires after every ride for signs of puncture and/or damage. At some point in every bike's life, brakes might become loose, affecting stopping time. Sometimes the fix is simply tightening the handbrake. Otherwise, here's a tip for adjusting the front and rear brakes. Locate the brake cable on the brake. Using a pair of pliers and Allen key, loosen the cable. Pull out some slack, but not too much. Once done, tighten and give them a test. The EB5 is a folding commuter e-bike that is compact and fun to ride, but it's better suited for smooth, even pavement. It is not designed for stunts or tricks. If it's raining outside, leave your EB5 at home. The EB5 is rated IPX4 for water resistance, but it's not waterproof. While it can handle occasional splashes, water can still potentially damage the internal parts of the EB5. Have questions or problems with your EB5? For expedited service, you can reach our 5-star customer service team via phone, email, or live chat.